Hi everyone, I'm Liz Grosul with Coldwell Banker Realty. Welcome back to another Market Update Monday, where we take a look at what's happening in our local real estate market and where, more importantly, what it means for you. This week, we're talking about Loveland, Colorado, and I describe today's market with one word: balanced. We're seeing the market settle into a healthier pace. Buyers have more options than they did a year or two ago. Sellers are becoming more strategic, and the frenzy we've experienced over the past few years has definitely calmed down. So let's look at the numbers for Loveland. The median list price is $599,900, while new listings are entering the market at $557,500. That tells me sellers are becoming much more realistic with their pricing from the start instead of pricing high and hoping the market catches up. Inventory has also grown to 321 active homes, giving buyers more choices and a little more breathing room. One statistic that really stands out this week is that 39% of homes have reduced their asking price, while only 1% have increased. Now, that doesn't mean the market is declining. It means buyers are paying attention to value. They're comparing homes, they're negotiating when appropriate, and rewarding sellers who price their homes competitively from day one. Homes are spending about 42 days on market, while the average sits closer to 97 days. That gap tells us the best homes are still selling relatively quickly, while others may need a pricing adjustment or stronger marketing to stand out. Even with these changes, Loveland still holds a slight seller's advantage with a market action index of 39. The market has cooled compared to the last few years, but demand is still strong enough to support home values. The key number I'll be watching over the next several weeks is the market action index. If the buyer demand begins to increase again, we'll likely see home prices respond by moving higher. If the demand continues to soften, the index moves into the buyer's territory, where we could eventually see downward pressure on prices. So, what does this mean for you? For buyers, this is a great opportunity to shop with more confidence. You have more inventory, less competition, and in many cases, more room to negotiate than we've seen in the recent years. For sellers, homes are still selling, but preparation matters. Professional marketing, great photography, proper pricing, and understanding your competition are becoming more important than ever. My biggest takeaway: this isn't a market to fear. It's a market to understand. Whether you're buying your first home, moving up, downsizing, or investing, having a strategy that's built around today's market conditions will always put you in the best position. If you're curious about your home's value or wondering whether now is the right time to make a move, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for another Market Update Monday.